more example using chain rule. So sometimes we can have certain question like say chain rule problems. How to problem, let's say 1. Using chain rule. So the question goes like this: y equals to 4x raised to power 3 minus 2 raised to power 4. So solution. So what we'll do in this case is to say let u is to be equals to 4x raised to power 3 minus 2. Therefore, y will be equals to, notice, y will then be equals to u raised to power 4. So then we can then solve it by saying our dy over dx will then be equals to dy over du multiplied by du over dx. So we can then say dy over du will be equals to, so we'll be using this. If we differentiate this, we have 4u raised to power 3. And then our du over dx, which is differentiating this, will be, let's differentiate this to be 12x raised to power 2. So now we can do it, and then we can then say dy over dx will be equals to 4u raised to power 3 multiplied by 12x squared. So we can say dy over dx will be equals to 4 times 12 should be 48. Let's say 48x squared u raised to power 3. Let's recall that u is equals to, what is our u? U is equals to 4x raised to power 3 minus 2. So let's replace it. Y over dx will be equals to 48x squared. Let's put our u there, which is equal to 4x raised to power 3 minus 2. Don't forget we have 3. You can put the 3 there. Now our final answer, dy over dx equals to 48x squared 4x raised to power 3 minus 2 power 3. You see, that's fun. That's really pretty fun and straightforward. So we can do a simple shortcut. Let's use the same thing. It's also chain rule. So using the same question, saying solve y for s raised to power 3 minus 2 using chain rule. So still chain rule. So solution dy over dx is equals to, so what should we do? We take this 4, we use the we take 4, we bring 4 down, which is this power 4. Then we differentiate this function that have x in the box, which is going to give us 12x is power 2 close. And then we do like this. Bring the original equation, which is this, we bring it out with 4x raised to power 3 minus 2, and then we then do this 4 again minus 1. So the y over the x so we can do the y over the x to be, if we open this, we're going to be what, 48x squared into bracket 4x raised to power 3 minus 2 raised to power 3. Yeah, so you can see we're able to solve this in just very simple step, just very fast and simple step, and that's it. So we can as well give ourselves assignment. Let's say find the y over the x using chain rule 1. We can do y equals to 8x raised to power 4 minus we can also do y equals to 13x minus 4.